All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding our good old friend internet computer itself. Let's see what's happening with the price and, of course, what is yet to come. If you're looking at the overall market, Bitcoin is looking absolutely amazing, sitting above $68,000. And in the next 2 hours, we do close the daily candle. And it's going to be very interesting to see where Bitcoin closes because as of now, we're sitting above $68,000. And if Bitcoin is able to break out and close its daily candle there, let the fireworks begin, in my opinion. But let's take it a step further and see what is happening with internet computer. Pretty much a lot of green across the board right now, which we'll definitely take. But for internet computer right now, you're seeing a little bit of a lag. You're seeing 2.1% pullback for the price of internet computer right now. So let's dive in and take a look at what we're looking at in terms of the closer time frame. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of internet computer, still below $10. And to be exact, $9.68, down about 2% in USD compared. We're also down 5.2%, guys, in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're focusing in terms of market valuation, $4.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $117.1 million. So, in a grand scheme of things, guys, $4.5 billion market valuation, it's holding really good, believe it or not. But, it's having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of the psychological price point. Remember, I've said this to you guys countless of times, $10 is a psychological price point. So, you don't really want to be getting shocked at that, you're finding a little bit of a hard time for the price to get to these levels. But let's take it a step further and see what we're looking at in terms of Bitcoin dominance, guys. Dominance is picking up, and it's picking up very fast. I did mention this in the turbo update if you did end up watching it. If not, of course, that's totally fine. But we're approaching yearly highs for dominance, guys. Yearly highs for Bitcoin dominance. And what does that mean? Is that giving us an indication that we're about to see Bitcoin breaking out towards all-time highs? Because usually when Bitcoin breaks towards all-time highs, dominance does increase. So let's see what happens right now. Bitcoin is looking amazing as we're recording this update. It's literally sitting at that $68,000 price point. Let's give it a refresh live to see if $68,034, and it's trying to break out, and we still have about 2 hours left until the daily close happens. And if the daily close happens above this key resistance, I believe we're in for a treat for the overall market. But let me know down below what you guys personally think regarding Bitcoin and what is your overall strategy right now regarding ICP. But speaking about ICP, let's take a look at what is happening with its price right now. So of course right now it is seeing a little bit of a lag, and again, no secret, just shared that with you guys early on as well. You are looking at the price of internet computer. If I were to zoom in right now, it's sitting literally at the support itself. So it's actually not bouncing towards the upside right now. It's actually lagging and not showing wow, sorry guys, I lost my train of thought because when I talk too fast, sometimes I get too excited. But anyways, it's lagging against the overall market right now. It has less interest within its price, and there's no secret just by looking at this and looking at the overall market. A lot of coins are up about 10% right now. But what exactly is causing this? Remember, this key support line is very, very important. And let's face it, guys, we don't have enough trading volume right now for internet computer. But if this is also able to break out and actually close its daily candle above the $9.74 key resistance in the next 2 hours, I do believe, we start heading back up to these levels where we just retested last week, believe it or not. And if you want to put that into perspective, that is a move of about 12.8%. So it's going to be very interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts, guys, because if Bitcoin is able to, close above $68,000 and, actually go back up to $70,000, which is looking more likely than ever. If that happens, internet computer, in my opinion, will start retesting these levels that I am talking about. Usually I have noticed a trend. Sometimes when altcoins kind of lag behind, usually tend to break out with a Bitcoin extensive move. So like I said, if Bitcoin is able to break above 68k key resistance, I do expect that it's not going to be a hard time for ICP ICP to break to these levels. But again, guys, I don't want to be focusing on, the bigger picture right now. We want to be taking it one step at a time. It's extremely important for the price of ICP to get back above $11.82, which I am very, very confident it will. And if you look at it from this point of view, and just a continuous reminder to everyone that have done their due diligence and research, and that want to dollar cost average in, it's good to pick it up rather than picking it up when it has pumped up 20, 30, 40 to even 100%. And there's a lot going for itself. Obviously, it's not at the par of, the likelihood of the other competitors of it, but it's one step at a time. It's a patient game, but so far so good. The price is looking good. A lot of people are interested in ICP, as we already know. A lot of people are optimistic about its future, but only time is going to tell. So far so good as far as its price is concerned, but it's really important to actually stay above this key resistance, which I believe it will do so. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.